In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Forms in 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and simplify your task management process with this powerful tool. First things first, head on over to Asana's website and log in. If you're already a user, you'll be familiar with this, but if not, simply enter your email address. This step is pretty straightforward, just ensure you're using the email associated with your Asana account. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click continue. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type it in carefully to avoid any login issues, then click Login. If everything is correct, you'll be taken to your Asana homepage. Here, the adventure truly begins. On your homepage, locate the project you want to work with. You might have several projects listed, so take a moment to ensure you're entering the correct one. Click on the project and you'll see a detailed view of all its tasks and subtasks. Now it's time to customize this project to your needs. Look for the Customize button and give it a click. This takes us to where the magic happens in Asana Forms. Within this customized view, you'll see a Forms option. Click on Forms to access all the form-related functionalities. Next, find and click the Add button to create a new form. Here's where you can inject some creativity into your workflow. Now it's time to name your form. Choose something relevant that can easily identify its purpose to you and your team members. With the name set, you're ready to add questions to your form. Here, you're free to gather any required information by incorporating a variety of question types. You can easily drag and drop new questions to structure your form as needed. Asana offers flexibility in question types, so select the ones that best suit your needs, be it multiple choice, text entries, or more. This feature is crucial as it helps keep your incoming information well organized and relevant. Once you've built your form and are satisfied with the content and layout, it's time to make it live. Simply hit the Publish button. Congratulations, your form is now live and ready to collect data. This streamlined process has turned what might have been a cumbersome task into a simple, effective part of your project management strategy. Remember, by leveraging Asana Forms, you're not just gathering information, but also enhancing the collaboration and productivity of your team. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you harness the full power of Asana Forms in your workflow.